Hello, Christoph here again, and today's topic is Google Analytics. So I want to start today with the basics of Google Analytics, just go through the dashboard and the main menu points before we afterwards dig a bit deeper into a few things that I see personally as one of the most crucial things that a lot of people forget about, but it's actually the most important things. So looking into the dashboard, so here it's just a simple screenshot from our website from 2 years back, our old website. I just wanted to show you here the main menu points, what you can see here. So as you can see on the left side, there is the menu, and I'm here right now in the audience tab. So that's the most basic tab where you can see your users, the number of sessions, page views, session duration, so the most basic info. Also can find some demographics data about the system, if they're mobile or not. So this is the most basic overview, and you can also go in the left side, dig deeper into demographics, interests, geo information, whatever you can find there. So a lot of different things to browse through. It's really nice to just go through it and see if there's something that you consider personally important for yourself. Then the next one is the acquisition part. So this is where it gets really interesting actually, because you want to know obviously where your users come from. So if I go here in the overview of the acquisition tab, I can see very quickly where the people come from, roughly. So I can see if they come directly from social, organic search, if you use Google AdWords, if they come from paid search, referrals, and other. You can actually click through here, see all traffic, click into channels, see again here the channels. If you want to see social, you click on social, and then you actually see from which social channels people come from: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. So you get a good feeling of where people come from. You can also obviously see source and medium. We'll go afterwards a bit deeper into how you can, when you set up campaigns, how important it is to create URLs for every campaign, that you can actually track every campaign separately in Google Analytics and see what's successful and what's not successful. There's also the tab of behavior, also quite interesting. Click on it, click on overview, and then you can see here on which pages do people go on your website. So what are the most viewed pages compared to others? You can also analyze behavior flow, so a lot of things that you can do here, also events if you have set them up. And the last part, which I see it will go a bit into detail afterwards, the conversions and the goals. And I think that's one of the most important things in Google Analytics. Setting up goals, it will make your data much more actionable afterwards. It's not just viewing on some data, some basic data, but actually thinking about some user flows. What do you want people to do? What do you want people from specific campaigns to do? And then actually measure it. Does that happen afterwards? And why does it happen? Why doesn't it happen? So setting up goals is a fantastic way to make the best out of Google Analytics. And I will go deeper into these topics in some next videos. So that's just a very basic overview. I love Google Analytics. It gives you all the necessary information that you need from an analytical point of view about your users. You want to see some general information, obviously, but especially afterwards with goals and campaigns. That's where the real beauty of Google Analytics comes into play.